Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make this tortilla pizza. If you want to see how this is made, please keep watching. For this pizza, we'll be needing tortilla wrap, of course, mozzarella cheese, ketchup, sweet corn, mackerel, and some sea salt to sprinkle on the sweet corn. You can totally use any other toppings of your choice. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. I'm just going to spread it around evenly. When that is completely spread, I'll add my sweet corn. I've sprinkled a little bit of salt on it. Then I'm going to add the mackerel. Take note, I've taken off all the excess oil, so I'm just going to sprinkle it around it as well. And now I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes on low medium heat. When it's properly cooked, you see the mozzarella all melted. Then I'll increase the heat on low high heat and cook for about 2 minutes, and that's it, guys. The pizza is ready. It's nice. It's